Hello viewers, today I was telling about Instagram story. No music results found. First of all, we need to go to Instagram account to add story. I was taking a picture and here we see the music symbol. Click on that. I was searching the Tom and Jerry main theme. Here we have to do types of different. So here we have for you songs. Here we have for you songs and it is the browser. In Instagram we got a new update. We found any songs from 1990s to 2000. They was updated the all songs. Which songs did you want? If you not got this type of links means just update your. If you not got like this update means just update your Instagram on Play Store. Thank you.